welcome to my channel. I will be doing a tutorial on my hairstyle and also a review on the hair that I used. The hair that I used was Freetress hair. This is the hair, and this pack is a 1B, and it was $6.99. As you can see, the price on the package still it was $6.99 at my hair store, at my local hair store. And I got about 4 packs of the 1B, and I got 1 pack of the 30. I took the paper out of it, but this is the 30 hair, the color that I got, and I just used that for some highlights on this hairstyle, which it is a crochet. And you can see like what I did, some of my pattern in the front, and how I did my rows. I parted it this way in the middle, and I braided these real small, and then in the back I kind of connected them, so when I do my part, like this middle part, it stops right here. It doesn't go back any further than this. So when I do my side part, it's the same way. It doesn't go further than that. And I have like I can do different parts on my hair. And that's the 30 that you see, the highlights. I can go this side, you know, it really doesn't matter. All that matters is that you know, of course, you know it's a crochet, but you want it to look as natural as possible, and that's what the braid pattern that I did. That's how I achieved that style, to make it look as natural as I can to my hair, which is also natural. And like I said, I'll be doing a tutorial in just a moment. I just wanted to show you my pattern. I did this side first, and that's why it looks kind of full. It kind of looks even right here, which I guess I can only tell that it's not finished on this side. But I started on this side first because I was in a rush. I had to go to a wedding with my husband, and I was kind of rushing trying to do the hairstyle, and I was on this side first, and I was putting more hair over here, and I was looking at the time. I was like, oh my god, I need to hurry up and put some hair on this side so I won't be looking raggedy. So what I did was I just went ahead and just put as much as I could on this side, just to fill it out and make it, you know, not look so empty. So this side is what I'll be doing with you guys, to show you how I achieved this whole hairstyle. Like I said, I just did it the other day. I can't take it apart. I'm not gonna take it apart because it's new and it's a lot of hair, a lot of work to take down. But I'm going ahead and I'm just gonna part right here, and you can see like right here, this is one of my back braids that I have, and you can kind of tell that these are 2 small braids. This is one also, and I kind of joined all these together into this one big braid right here, if you can see it right there. And I just kind of try to fill it up. You can see it's hardly any hair right here. I kind of started up here because I knew all this was going to be covered up. But yeah, let's get started on actually putting some hair in. And also I wanted to make note, and I will put it probably in my title of my video, and about tying the hair in your head. I don't recommend that you do that, especially if you have color. I know a lot of people, when they do crochets, because I know I'm not the first person that you've seen do a crochet, but some people tie theirs in, and I don't like it. It's only because, and I'm going to show you, matter of fact, I'm going to show you now. Because like, for instance, with this I have the color in right here. If I wanted to change my color or if I wanted to just take it out and just to leave it with the 1B I have here. All I have to do is grab it. Let me get one from the back. All I have to do is grab it, go to it, and you see how easy that was, just to take it loose, and I can just pull it out. And that's it right there. All I have to do is just pull it out. I don't have to cut it and try to put another piece in. I can actually just save this piece that I just took out and put it in a different area. And that's what I like to do. I like to save my hair to keep the cost down from buying hair. And that's just something I like to do. If I don't have to mess up the hair, and this is the piece I just took out. There's nothing wrong with it. I can just basically just put it back in the pack, or put it back in my hair if I want to. It doesn't matter. But yeah, that's why I don't tie the hair into my hair, because you know, it's just easier just to take it out if I want to, or put it back in if I want to. And now I'm gonna put this one back in just to show you how you do it. And I'm just gonna put it to the front this time. All you have to do is get you a crochet needle, hook, whatever you want to call it. Mine is pink. They have different colors at your hair store. Just go to the counter and tell them you want a crochet hook, crochet needle, and they'll point you in the right direction. This is it. It has like a little point right here. It is very sharp, so please do not, like I'm doing here, don't do that. But it has a security hook where you just put it down, and you'll see in just a second how that works, what I just did by closing it. But just get you one of these, and it's like really cheap. I've had this for, I don't know, maybe 2 years, maybe 3 years, maybe longer than that. I don't even know. But it was cheap, I know, when I bought it, because I don't like buying like real expensive stuff when doing this kind of stuff. It's just pointless trying to get all that kind of stuff. I don't want to do the hairdo if the tools that I need are very, very expensive. So I like to do cheap hairstyles, and that's what I'm showing you today. Okay, let's get back to the hair. Like I said, the piece that I just took out, I have it here, and I'm going to open it up. Remember, I had closed it. I closed it here. I'm just opening it back up. I'm going to take it and just grab some hair, go up under the hair, and just grab it right here. And I'm kind of letting it sit on my glasses, but if you have like a tight braid, it won't move or nothing. You can just stick it in and it won't move like it just did right there. But anyway, put the hair on just like that, and that was the little hook that I did. Just put it on just like that. And while you have the hair on, take your finger and just close it. Just close it right there. Make sure it's closed. If you do not close it, you will regret it. Again, if you do not close it, you will regret it. Make sure it's closed. Pull it through. Kind of shake it a little bit so you can get back in between the hair, because you're going to take this off. You just take it off, put it to the side. Then to just do that. So you have this, it looks like this. You just have the hole, and then you have the hair. Take the hair and just loop it through. And what I like to do is I like to do it twice. Remember, I don't tie it, but I am going to do it twice. And just take it and pull it. Take your hand, and I kind of twist it a little bit so it can get a little tight, if you can see. And that's it. Just let it go, and it's in. And that's what I did all over my head with all this hair. And like I said, this is 30. I just put that in for highlights. I can go ahead and finish this with you all. I have some, like a whole braid back here, need some and all kind of stuff. But what I'll do is I'll go ahead and do like 2 more, but basically it's the same way. I'm gonna do it the same exact way. I'm just gonna do a different color. I'm gonna do my 1B. I open another pack. And for the hair, this is some really soft hair. It's very beautiful. I've seen some people, they'll take it and they'll kind of brush it and they'll kind of comb it out to make it frizzy. But you guys, this hair is like really soft. It has a nice curl. It's the Brazilian curl. You do not have to mess it up, because if the more you mess it up, the more you if you're just putting the hair in and you going ahead and brushing it and combing it and trying to make it frizzy and look like a actual natural hairstyle, you're gonna tangle it up. Because remember, this is not human hair. Even though it's like really soft, it is not human hair. So you're gonna tangle it up more, and then your hairdo won't last as long as if someone just put it in just like this and not mess with it at all. So I recommend that you not mess with it once you put it in. You know, you kind of move it to the side and stuff like that. But the longer you have the hair in, it's gonna kind of form to the other pieces of hair, and it's gonna look like a natural style like this. I mean, you know, I didn't have to do anything. All I did was put it in. I didn't take it and comb it and all kind of stuff. It just kind of naturally just kind of formed. And I did go back and I took my scissors and I kind of went down and kind of made it, did some layers and stuff like that. You can do that if you want to. You don't have to. The hair actually kind of laid already naturally. It was very pretty. Not to say this is not pretty, of course, but I really wanted some layers to kind of form to my face, because I have a fat face. So I wanted it to make my face look beautiful, more beautiful. So that's that. Like I said, we're gonna go to this side, back to this side again, and kind of add some more hair, because it's like little to no hair on this side, and I do not mind doing this hairstyle on here, because I've been getting a lot of compliments and stuff, and I was like, okay, who did your hair? And I'm like, I do my hair. I don't usually go to a hair salon to get my hair done, especially on styles like this. Like, I mean, I can do this at home to save way more money. All you're doing is paying for labor. Sometimes you're paying for the hair too, but along with paying for labor. But I like to just do it myself. And because I grew up in a house with, it was nothing but me and my sisters, well, my mom, and well, my dad was there too, but it was a lot of us girls, and we kind of did our own hair, each other's hair, and we learned how to do our own hair. Our mother taught us how to do that. So I've been doing my own hair for a long time, so it's not out of the ordinary for me not to go get my hair done. Anyway, this is the 1B I'm gonna put in, and like I said, we're gonna do this side, just finish this side up. I'm gonna find like a space that's like 2 in between those and this one right here. There's no hair, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my latch hook again. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna put the hair on, and I might be going a little too fast. If not, you can definitely rewind, slow it down, however you want to, just to get it going. I'm doing it twice, twisting it a little bit, and that's it. Putting it in, and that's it. And like I said, this is a 20-inch, and it is very pretty hair. I love it. I love Freetress. They always have some nice hair. Every time I do a crochet, that's the only hair I use. Now with the Marley hair, I've done a crochet with the Marley hair, but it's kind of it's rough hair, so Freetress doesn't have that that type of hair that I like for me. Somebody else might like it, but I don't. I like to use the Freetress, and with the curls, nice style, doesn't take long. That's it. But anyway, like I said, you can do this. Just move it any way you want to. Any way you want to. But that's it, you guys. If there's anything that I missed or that you want to see, please go down in the comment section and write a comment. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what I missed. If you didn't like it, please, I definitely want you commenting and telling me what you think I missed, or what I did, or what you think I did wrong, or whatever like that. You know, we're all here to learn. We're all here to just learn from each other. So if you would tell me something, I can let you know. But don't forget to go to the bottom and hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, so you do not miss on any other hairdos that I do. I will do them in detail. I don't mind. Like I said, just comment down below and let me know what you want to see. And for my next hairstyle, whatever one that has the most, if everybody agrees on one hairstyle, that'll be my next hairstyle. So y'all let me know what y'all want to see, and that's what I will do for my next hairstyle. And I will definitely do a video on it from start to finish. I won't have to come on here and do a review. I'll actually start it from my afro all the way up to the actual hairdo that you want to see. So just let me know. Just go down to the bottom, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you liked it. If you didn't like it, I don't mind. Just hit the dislike button. That's fine with me. But go to the bottom and write a comment on why you didn't like it or what you want to see. Thank you, you guys. See you next time.